In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to add your credit or debit card to Apple Wallet. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app, scroll down, navigate to the option Wallet, or also you can launch the Apple Wallet app in your device. Now here you're going to find the option of Add Card. Click on that. Now select debit or credit card and tap continue. Now you'll get the option to scan your card using your iPhone camera by placing it inside the frame, and your phone will automatically fill in most of the details for you. If the scan does not work, you can always enter the card details manually, including your name, card number, expiry date, and the security code on the back. After entering everything, tap continue and follow any verification steps from your bank. Once it's successfully added, your card will appear in your Apple Wallet and you'll be able to use it for payments by double clicking the side button and confirming with Face ID or your passcode, and that's it. This is how you can easily set up payments on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.